how to change Google Play Store country. On your mobile phone, open Google Play Store, tap on Profile. This select Payments and Subscription. Here click on Payment Methods. Below you will see more payment settings. Click on it. You will redirect to the default web page. Left side here, you will see 3 lines. Tap on it. In the Select Settings, here you can edit. The country region, click on it. It asks you to create a new profile. Click on it and then click on Continue. Now you can select the desired country. Then click on Continue. After that, fill your address information. Click on Submit Now. Your location will be changed to new. For more tech videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks, see you soon.